Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Maserati Granturismo Folgore. I don't know what that means, but the name says that. The casting is by Matchbox. It's new for 2025. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Granturismo out of its box. First thing you will notice is that it's got a matte paint. It's like a matte brown kind of paint. It's a two-door Grand Tourer. On the side you can also see the wheels. Well, these are not like out of the world special or anything bad, but these are really old wheels, and in my opinion, that's just my opinion, even if Matchbox used these wheels, they could have done it in a different shade and I think it would have looked much better, like grey or gunmetal, or even like a matte one. But this is what this is. Let's go to the front first. So up front you've got a nice detailed front end with detailed headlamp, detailed grille with Maserati Trident and Maserati logo, and even lower grille is kind of detailed. So this is the new design language of the Maserati, the new MC20, I guess that's the car. So they have done caused the same design language. Also got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, since we're here, shark fin antenna. So good details up front. Now let's move to the driver's side as we were before. So you got the typical 3 slots of Maserati here. It's a 2-door, comes with opening door. We'll look into the interior later. And I don't know if it's a place for the badge. It might be where Maserati badges. If you look here, the shape is really, classic GT cars, long hood, short overhangs. Looks really good. Coming to the back, again nicely detailed back with detailed tail lamps, Maserati logo up front on the top, Granturismo on the bottom, and even bumper has got it's not a big diffuser, but a small diffuser in the back. I don't know where the exhaust tips are, might be at the bottom. And coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't see any differences. No, it has opening doors, so let's open it up, and you can see it has got a maroon kind of interior, dark maroon I will say. Racing seats, not racing inspired seats they look like. It has got 4 seats inside. If you look closer to in the back, both the doors open up. They look nice. The door handles also look like what you see on these cars these days. And there are no major details in the interior. You can see everything is flat. It just shows that everything is there. So should you get one? Yes, a new Maserati is always a good addition to the collection. You don't get too many of these from Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So well, that's what I think. Let me know what you think about this casting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.